Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block someone on Venmo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, the first thing you're gonna do is simply open up your Venmo app and make sure you are signed in as well. And right afterwards, once you have done so, here in this home section you will be able to find this kind of interface, including where your transaction will be listed. So for you to simply block that person, you will have to find their profile. So from the transaction section, go ahead, tap on that person's profile name, and once you have accessed that profile, you're gonna find this kind of interface. So you can see we are simply have requested the blocking notification. It has appeared. To do that, you can see this three-dot icon on top right section. You will have to tap on it and this notification gonna appear. Now from over here, you're gonna simply tap on this block option given on the right section. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to successfully block that particular user, and you can simply repeat these steps as many times as you prefer and you're good to go. So if there are any more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And this is it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.